Hello students, we continue with chapter 13, surface areas and volumes, part 6. Now next topic is conversion of solids. When a solid is melted to form the other solid, volume remains same. So we are starting with exercise 13.3, question number 1. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. So find the height of the cylinder. So when a metallic sphere is melted to reshape in the form of a cylinder, volume will remain same. This concept will be used in this exercise. So radius of sphere is 4.2 centimeter, that is small r. Radius of cylinder is capital R, it is 6 centimeter. When sphere is melted to form a cylinder, volume remains same. So volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube and volume of cylinder pi r square h. I will not put the value of pi because it will be cancelled from both sides. Radius for sphere is 4.2 and radius for cylinder is 6 multiplied by height. Pi cancelled from both sides. So we want to find the height. H will remain on this side and this 6 square will be shifted on this side in the form of the denominator. So 4 by 3 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2. H is already on this side and 6 square will be 6 into 6. Removing the decimal, we will put 10 into 10 into 10 and after cancellation it will be 2744 dividing by 1000. So it will be 2.744 centimeter, that is height of the cylinder. So next question number 2. Metallic spheres of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. So here again 3 spheres are being melted to form one sphere. It means volume of 3 spheres will be equal to volume of new sphere. So let radius of new sphere is capital R. Radius of given spheres R1 6 centimeter, R2 8 centimeter and R3 10 centimeter. Now according to the condition, volume of new metallic sphere is equal to volume of 3 given spheres. Volume of metallic sphere 4 by 3 capital R cube and volume of 3 spheres 4 by 3 pi common R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube. No need to simplify separately, taking by common. 4 by 3 pi cancel from both sides. R cube is 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. 6 cube is 216, 8 cube 512 and 10 cube is 1000. So this is 1728. And to find out the radius of new sphere, we will take cube root of 1728, that is 12 centimeter. And this is the radius of new sphere. So next question number 3. A 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 meter. If we take the case of a well with depth and height, it will form a cylinder. So well is cylindrical in shape. So well is dug and earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. So this is the well, 20 meter high and 3.5 meter radius. And this is the platform on which earth is to be spread, whose length is 22 meter and breadth is 14. When earth will be spread on this, it will make the shape of a cuboid. So height of well is 20 meter, radius of well is 3.5 meter. According to the question, volume of earth dug from well is equal to volume of earth spread on the platform. So volume of earth dug from the well using the formula for cylinder, it is pi r square h. And earth volume of earth spread, that will make a cuboid, L into B, height I will take as h dash. Now putting the values, pi, radius 3.5 into 3.5 into 20, length 22, breadth 14, h dash is unknown. So keeping h dash on this side and shifting this term in the form of the denominator. 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 20 divided by 22 into 14, removing the decimal by putting as 10. And it will be 25 by 10, and that is 2.5 centimeter. So height of the platform is 2.5 centimeter. Now question number 4. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring of width 4 meter to form an embankment. Now in this case, earth taken out from the well has been spread all around it up to a width of 4 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. So height of the well is 14 meter, radius 3 by 2, that is 1.5, and this radius, this width is 4. So width or radius of the outer circle will be 1.5 plus 4, that is 5.5. How to find the area of this shaded part? That is area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Outer radius is 4 plus 1.5, 5.5, and inner radius is 1.5. So again by same condition, volume of earth dug is equal to volume of earth spread. Volume of earth dug from the well, pi r square h. Radius is 1.5 and height is 14. And volume of earth spread means area of shaded part multiplied by height, that I have supposed as h dash. This is the height of the embankment. So pi, outer radius 5.5 and inner radius 1.5, and height of the embankment is h dash. How to solve a square minus b square? This is a minus b into a plus b. So in this way, pi is cancelled from both sides, and h dash will be 1.5 into 1.5 into 14 divided by 4 into 7, which on simplification will be 9 by 8, and it is 1.125 meter, which is the height of the embankment. So I hope you are able to understand this concept. In your homework, you will do examples and questions of 13.3. Thank you.